The quick response code or QR code is one of the easiest ways to access data, which is normally a link to a website. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the security concerns associated with QR codes and how you can protect yourselves against attackers using them. The quick access to data make QR code very convenient for users. Instead of typing a URL or searching for an app, you can simply scan QR code using your phone without needing any additional software. Just open your phone's camera, scan, and there you go. You have most probably scanned a QR code at least once this week, as they are everywhere, like from your local restaurant or bar to smart devices. QR codes are commonly used to download an app or get a link to find the app in the App Store, connect to Wi-Fi, visit a website, for example, in a restaurant to view the menu, place an order, or make a payment. Register smart devices. For instance, when you log in into your smart TV, a QR code may appear on the screen. You can scan it with your phone to log in and your TV will be automatically signed in. Although it is very convenient, have you ever thought about what could go wrong? How might a QR code impact the security of your digital twin? Before we continue, if you're enjoying this discussion, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. What can go wrong? Let me start by reading a news headline. Woman targeted in £13,000 railway station QR code scan. Attackers can use QR codes to lure you into visiting malicious websites. Basically, they embed a malicious URL into a QR code. This type of attack is a form of phishing known in cybersecurity as phishing. If you're not familiar with phishing attacks or want to learn more, I have another video where I explain how a phishing attack cost an Australian family $250,000. Okay, back to the QR code security. One of the key and fundamental issues with the QR codes is that when you scan them, you may not even see the URL you are being redirected to. That depends on your phone and a few other factors that I'll talk about shortly. A malicious URL can lead you to a phishing website, a site that looks just like the one you were expecting, designed to steal your personal information, login credentials, or even payment information. Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant, an attacker creates a fake website that looks identical to the restaurant's, print a QR code linked to it, and place it on the table. When you scan it, you think you're ordering from the restaurant, but it's actually the attacker collecting your order and, more importantly, your money. The attacker may also direct you to download a fake application, which is actually malware. What is malware? It is a piece of malicious code that can harm your phone, steal your data, give the attacker access to your device, and perform many other harmful actions. A QR code may even add a new contact to your contact list. You might think, so what? Well, an attacker can add a contact named ABC Bank to your phone. The next day, they might call you, and when you see ABC Bank on your screen, you're more likely to trust the caller. This makes phishing even more easier and more convincing. A QR code may be sent to you via email or other digital channels. Phishing protection algorithms often struggle to detect malicious QR codes, which means the success rate of these attacks can be significantly higher. How to protect yourself? The key element in QR code security is asking yourself this question: do I trust that this QR code is coming from a legitimate source? Did you find it on a railway station wall or a random flyer on the street? Or did it appear on your TV screen when you were trying to log in? For physical QR codes, check for any signs of tampering. Even if you are sitting in a restaurant you trust, can you be sure that no one has altered the QR code, perhaps by placing a fake one over the legitimate code or replacing it entirely with a new one? When you scan a QR code using your camera, always check the link before clicking on it. If you can't clearly see the full link, try rotating your phone to landscape mode. It may give you more space to view the URL. Make sure you examine the link carefully. If it's a shortened link, it's best to avoid it, unless you are absolutely certain the QR code is legitimate and hasn't been tampered with. A tip for iPhone users: you can scan a QR code using the built-in camera app, just like on most phones. If you use Safari as your default browser, you'll see the link preview and can tap the icon in the bottom right corner to view the full URL before opening it. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording, this feature isn't available if you're using another browser like Chrome as your default. Avoid downloading apps directly from QR codes. Instead, go to your device's app store and search for the app yourself. Keep your device up to date. Regular updates help fixing security vulnerabilities and keep your system protected. If you are a business owner, this next part is for you. It's important to understand what steps you need to take to protect your customers and users. So first, use a reputable and trustworthy QR code generator. Choose tools from well-known providers to avoid generating malicious or insecure codes. Verify the content you are encoding. Double-check the URL or data for any typos or missing characters before sharing it. Protect your physical QR codes. Make sure they haven't been tampered with. Regularly inspect and verify the QR codes displayed in your physical location. In this video, we talked about QR codes, their security concerns, and how you can protect yourselves. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you next time.